2025 Lamborghini Temerario. Starting at $290 est. Overview. The Temerario Sports Coupe may be a clean sheet design, but it can't hide its exotic Lamborghini genetics. As the successor to the esteemed Huracan, the Temerario retains the familial shark nose front end with a prominent lower lip spoiler and some sharp corners, but the roofline and side panels display some newfound curvy maturity. Underneath that aluminum skin resides an all-new aluminum space frame, as well as the Temerario's heart and soul, a new twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8. Augmented with a trio of electric motors, one mounted between the engine and transmission and one at each front wheel, the powertrain delivers a combined output of 907 horsepower. A specially designed exhaust system with several selectable modes ensures the flat-plane crank V8 song is heard and felt all the way to its 10,000 RPM red line, but those pipes also know how to play a quieter tune in low-speed urban situations. Interior space is increased over the Huracan's, and the cabin features a trio of user-configurable screens to relay instrument data and infotainment options, with the third display reserved for the passenger. Loosely translated to English, Temerario means fearless or daredevil, both apt descriptors for Lamborghini's latest extroverted road missile. What's new for 2025? The Temerario is an entirely new offering for 2025, replacing the Huracan in Lamborghini's lineup. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to start around $290. Temerario. $290,000 est. Neither pricing nor trim levels have been revealed, but given the Temerario's positioning as a replacement for the Huracan, we expect it to start around $290,000 and extend beyond $350,000 when fully optioned. As expected, numerous customization opportunities are on tap, including a choice of cast, forged, or carbon wheels in numerous designs. Buyers can also spec interior and exterior carbon fiber elements. There's also an Alleggerita, lightweight, package that brings carbon to the splitter, underbody panels, side skirts, and interior door panels. When combined with an available titanium muffler and carbon wheels, this collection shaves some 55 pounds from the car's curb weight. Two exterior colors, Blue Marinus and Verde Mercurius, will be available at launch, but Lamborghini assures us that over 400 custom colors and special liveries are on tap to ensure your Temerario won't get lost in the Walmart parking lot. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Temerario's powertrain consists of a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with a flat-plane crankshaft, a trio of axial flux electric motors, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Temerario's V8 alone is good for 789 horsepower, adding the output of the three electric motors brings the total combined output to 907 horsepower. That's just 94 ponies shy of the Lamborghini Revuelto, the brand's V12 Halo car. On the Temerario, one electric motor mounts directly to the V8 in front of the transmission, while the remaining two live up front, one at each wheel. The Temerario's V8 redlines at 10,000 RPM, and the engine's peak torque of 538 pound-feet is available from 4,000 to 7,000 RPM. With the electric motors in play, maximum torque output rises to 590 pound-feet. In addition to supplying enormous power, the hybrid configuration helps provide instantaneous torque and linear power delivery over a broad range of speeds and driving situations. 13 drive programs are available via a rotary button on the steering wheel, including launch and drift modes, the latter offering 3 levels of tail-out leeway. 0-60 mph times. Lamborghini claims the Temerario can hit 62 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 213 miles per hour. We'll confirm or possibly improve upon this estimate when the Temerario becomes available for car and driver testing. Range, charging, and battery life. Juice is stored in a 3.8 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The battery resides in the center tunnel along with the transmission. The location is said to help optimize weight distribution and is protected from underneath by structural elements. Regenerative braking and power from the internal combustion engine can both replenish the battery's state of charge. Plug-in charging is also possible via a standard 7 kW onboard charger. With typical household current, it can replenish an empty battery to full capacity in a claimed 30 minutes. An EV-only mode is provided, but Lamborghini has not yet disclosed the maximum range. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Thanks to its new all-aluminum chassis, the Temerario's interior offers more space than the Huracan it replaces. Headroom increases by 1.3 inches, legroom by 1.8, and Lamborghini claims the interior is large enough to accommodate drivers up to 6'5" wearing a helmet. The interior borrows some styling cues from the Revuelto. 4 stitching patterns are available, and the 18-way adjustable driver's seat is heated and ventilated. Infotainment and connectivity. Lamborghini says the Temerario offers the most advanced suite of infotainment and connectivity features of any model in its lineup. 3 displays a 12.3-inch instrument panel with 3 user-selectable views, an 8.4-inch infotainment screen, and a 9.1-inch passenger screen occupy prime dashboard real estate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as is a Sonos Faber audio system. The most notable debut, though, is the available Lamborghini Vision Unit, LAVU, system. This setup utilizes 3 cameras, one viewing the road, one focused on the passengers, and one looking forward over the driver's shoulder. Combined with performance data and preloaded data for 150 different racing circuits, LAVU can be used to evaluate and improve a driver's performance. All this kit also enables a memories recorder that allows for up to 2 minutes of off-track recording. It can also serve as a dashcam with up to 1 minute of incident history. Safety and driver assistance features. Lamborghini hasn't detailed the Temerario's safety and driver assistance features yet, but based on the offerings in the more expensive Revuelto model, we expect to see basics such as automated emergency braking and lane departure warning as standard. For more information about the Temerario's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features are likely to include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane departure warning, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Compared with most mainstream automakers, Lamborghini doesn't provide stellar warranty coverage. But its protection plans are competitive with those of high-end rivals such as Ferrari and can be enhanced by optional maintenance packages. Limited warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. Powertrain warranty covers 3 years and unlimited miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.